High five.
High five.
High five. Five us. Let's do an after the five for this because we learned a lot. Come on in, Sean.
You learned a lot.
I did. Well, you learned a lot.
I did things. I did. Ow! I just kicked a metal thing on the floor. What is that?
It could be a number of things. There's a compressor. There's.
I think I kicked the compressor.
Okay.
Yep.
That's why I wear shoes.
Yeah.
Welcome to After the Five, the
Hi.
show that happens after the five.
After the five.
This is for the Zachary Levi SHAZAC.
SHAZAC.
Who coined the term SHAZAC? Do you
Well,
know?
I said it, but I'm sure it was not anywhere near original. So
True.
Yeah, I'm sure lots of people have thought that, but
Yeah.
I did not read it before I said it.
Okay.
Yeah, or hear it.
This is what's really cool about this. First of all, I mean, Sean and I met because of Zach Levi and the Nerd Machine, which is
Right.
cool. I wouldn't say I'm friends with Zach, but I mean, I know how to get a hold of him, and it was so nice of him to send over those video snippets.
Yeah, it was.
It was really cool.
Oh, you know what? We have to refilm.
The Zach thing, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we'll get that in.
Yeah.
And then to be able to paint this, I mean, I've learned painting stuff from Chelsea and Garrett over at Chaos Cortec and Bill and Brittany over at Punish Props. Let's see, Core Geek. I mean, lots of people, I've seen them paint and weather things, but it's not the same as doing it yourself. And that's why I think I really wanted to do this, and I really enjoyed it.
I think it's awesome. I think you did a great job. It turned out better than I expected it to. I'll tell you that.
I was a little worried because of this when I was just using this as the gold.
Yeah.
And it wasn't as contrasty. It wasn't as gold.
Goldie. Yeah.
Once I added the gold to the cape, I was like, this is right. I know the face could be better.
Yeah, the skin tone could be better. He's very Italian. But I mean, other than that, like, it's pretty good. Especially for not priming or not like sanding it or filling in the layer lines or anything like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's pretty good.
I mean, going forward, maybe I do, maybe I don't. Part of why I like this, how it is because you can tell that it's 3D printed.
Right.
I know some people don't like to see the layer lines, but I think it's interesting because it still looks good.
Yeah.
And then when you get up close, you're like, oh, look at that.
Yeah,
And
it's really only like tell from afar on the shoulders, right? Like
the shoulders, the tops, like where it had to do
right.
some top layers here.
Yeah.
But I mean, the face look at the nose.
Yeah.
They got his nose right.
They got his nose right. It's right.
And I think it's fun being able to give this away.
Yeah.
I think that we'll do more giveaways on the channel as well. Sean learned how to do a Shazam effect.
I did, thanks to Film Riot.
They're wonderful people.
They are, yeah. And they share a similar last name to me.
Oh, that's right. And they're good friends with Bill and Britt over at Punish Props, so
yeah,
we'll have to meet them someday.
I really would like to meet them someday. They are fantastic.
Ryan Connolly is not as he's good on camera. He can explain things in a way that I can understand easily in the first time.
Right.
And I love that.
I love that he just speeds through a lot of the tutorials now, right? Like he just says everything all at once, and then like you really have to pause it, like check it out. But it gets you through it in a not boring way, and that's pretty hard to do for a tutorial.
Yeah. Well, I thought originally it was Andrew Kramer over at Video Copilot. He takes his time. It's a little slow, but it was I understood what he was saying, and it made it easy to follow along. But now, after watching Film Riot, I prefer the Film Riot method.
Yeah, and I like Andrew Kramer's thing. He makes it not boring because he throws in terrible dad jokes the entire time.
Terrible dad jokes.
So, but yeah, I mean, either way is fine as long as you're learning how to do it. Yeah, the effect was pretty good. There was a couple smoke effects I wish I could have had, but other than that, it was...
They're just not available yet.
They're not available yet. Yeah, they haven't released them yet. They're from Film Riot. Release them.
We'll tweet at them after this, and we'll see if they...
Yeah, Ryan Connolly, like, one of my very first short films I ever made, he critiqued.
Really?
Yeah. So if you tweet stuff at them, they'll respond. But with that kind of stuff, yeah, it was cool.
You'd love to meet them, wouldn't you?
Yeah.
I would too. Probably I want to meet them because they're cool. You want to meet them because it's
because it's they do things I like.
Who knows? It could have been that their critique is what threw you into further video editing and film stuff. It could have been, had the critique been different, we would never have met.
You never know that, actually. Actually, no, we would have.
Would we? Okay.
That critique happened after I went to my first Nerd HQ. So,
Oh, it did? Okay.
So, yeah,
we did.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Well, let's film that other Zach part.
Yeah, let's do that.
Hey, you know what? Thanks for your support. I hope this was fun. Obviously, get a hold of us if you have any questions. But we had a lot of fun making this, and I think finishing prints, not necessarily to the ultra screen-ready type of that Core Geek, Chelsea and Garrett, Punish Props, those people. I think maybe some of the stuff that we do, we can get to that level, but I think just adding that next level of detail, because it was a good print, just like this was, and just like this was. These were all great prints, but this just has that next level, and it's great as a showpiece, and it starts a conversation, and then people are like, oh wow, it's 3D. And so, I don't know, I like it, so I'm gonna run with it.
Yes.
And Sean's gonna paint stuff soon too.
Yeah, I want to. Well, no promises. We're gonna try with an Iron Man model.
You get to learn how to use an airbrush.
Yeah, that'll be fun.
I kind of know, so I can tell you what I know.
It'll be terrible. It'll be terrible.
It'll be awesome. You'll love it, and you'll be like, "Wow, why didn't I do this before?"
That I can probably say yes to. Yeah. So.
Well,
cool.
You want to close it up?
No. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your support. We really appreciate it. I couldn't do what I do for this guy without you guys. So, thanks, and see you on the next one.
See you on the next one. There. Oh, he's pointing. See.
Yes. The lens? No?
Well, no, I see. I'm Shazam, and I got a big hand. High five from the Shazam.
Fantastic.
Oh, my God. High five. Sparkle fingers.
That's
lighting from my hands.
Oh, fantastic.
That's what you get.
Yep.